Let's in the meantime talk once again of the delimitation debate that seems to have reignited, and this is now coming in as far as two leaders who seems to be sparring over this. It is P. Chidambaram, former Union Minister, and Nara Lokesh. Now, as far as the delimitation duel, that seems to have erupted over the southern seats representation, and P. Chidambaram has been of the point of view where, as far as the representation of southern states are concerned, that will effectively be going down, and this is something when it comes to the total number of seats carrying out when it comes to the delimitation exercise that he believes would mask the actual decline in the representation for southern states, including that of Tamil Nadu. So let's put out what the former Union Minister says, that my young friend Mr. Nara Lokesh, Minister in Andhra Pradesh, should do his math before talking about delimitation. The opposition parties opposed and defeated the Constitution Amendment Bill because the math showed that 5 southern states will lose representation in Lok Sabha in terms of relative strength, and the gainers will be some of the northern Indian states. The BJP tried to mask the outcome by increasing the representation in Lok Sabha of each state by 50%, but that was exposed as an illusion. Whether you take the representation of Andhra Pradesh in Lok Sabha at the current level of 25 seats or increase it to 38 seats, and if Article 81 is applied without a change, the relative representation of Andhra Pradesh will diminish or will reduce, and he is asking Nara Lokesh to do the basic math. However, Nara Lokesh has now responded as well, so let's put out exactly his post is concerned, because he is now responding to P. Chidambaram, saying that under Article 81 of the Constitution of India, the allocation of seats in the House of People has remained frozen based on the 1971 census, and the constitutional freeze is set to end after the first census conducted post 2026. Once the freeze is lifted, then the reapportionment also becomes inevitable, and every South Indian state, without exception, stands to lose relative representation compared to northern states. That is precisely the concern that we have consistently raised, and the very imbalance that the NDA sought to address through the delimitation bill and a proportionate increase in parliamentary seats for all states. He further says that surely a distinguished legal mind such as yours is fully aware of this constitutional position, which raises an important question. Why did the Congress party oppose the delimitation bill in Parliament, and was it political posturing at the cost of South India's long-term interest? This is something that he is now been taking on P. Chidambaram and seeking answers from the former Union Minister with regards to the delimitation exercise. We're going to head into a very short break. The morning news continues on the other side.